Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of the Fuzzy Dice Motors Dealer Auction Walk. Well, no, wait a minute. No, well, actually, this is an auction walk around. It's not a dealer auction walk around. I'm at my favorite place in the entire world, a Mecum auction over in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm getting run over by a first-gen Bronco. And there it goes. And coming up next is a Jaguar or a Jaguar. But anyway, let's go ahead and I'm going to stop running my mouth and I'm going to show you guys some of the most amazing cars. Oh, God, look at that 54 Corvette. Some cars. Let's go take a look.
Oh, no. These guys aren't motivated. Ain't no motivation up here.
That's right, we need to dance. Move your feet, folks.
Nobody dancing. You can tell the difference.
Oh, Bobby.
Jimmy. Does that get better every time we play it?
Every time we play.
We play it again.
Let's play it again. How many people think we should play it again? Yeah, me too. We will play it again tomorrow morning. So be here tomorrow morning and we'll play it again.
How do you start your workday, Tulsa?
So we start our work day every day. Good morning, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, they sound like we feel, Bobby. Try that again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming out early. We got a great day of automobiles lined up for you. Before we do, we need to spin your mirror.
All right, everyone, you know I'm the biggest Pontiac fanboy on the planet. And what could be better than the first GTO? That's right, folks, 1964 GTO convertible. Pretty rare to have the spinner hubcaps, got the side splitter exhaust back here. There you go, if you can see it. Black and red interior. Here's some stats. Feel free to pause the video here and look at the stats. This is a 4-speed car. There you go. You're behind the driver's seat. Beautiful white ball Hurst shifter. Let me tell you guys, it's so hard to get videos at a Mecum auction because you want to video every single car and you just can't do it. The video would be, 8 hours long. You guys would get bored after the first 10 minutes. There's so many cars to see. All of them are cool in their own way. Look at the blue on this Corvette over here. I'm going to do my best to try to give you guys a good look at everything. Here's a Roadrunner over here. There's a Cuda over here. There's Roadrunners. Over here is a GTX. Like I say at every one of these auctions, folks, it's very, very overwhelming. And I know the auction block is loud. I'm going to try to speak over it, which I may or may not be able to do. There's a Lamborghini sitting over here. This is my Disney World, folks. Absolutely love it. If you've never been to a Mecum auction, I highly recommend it. They put on one hell of an amazing show.
3,500 is bid. $4,000 internet. At 3,500 on the bid, you're looking for. At $4,000 you're looking at $3,500 bid. 4,000. So 3,500 on the George Washington. So now I'll bring it together. Easy weather. The 93 Pontiac Grand Am. Got to be 8 automatic. We're there. So you're $15,000. You're 15. 10. And 10,000 you're 10, 10, 5, 2, 3, but the 4,000, 5,000, 6, 7, and 7,000 others, 7,000 others on 3, 7, and 7,000 6,500.
May I tell you, there's something for everybody here at the Mecum auctions. Look at this Corvette over here. This is a Callaway Corvette. Holy cow, look at that engine. This is selling at no reserve. My gosh, supercharged. Another Callaway Corvette. And look at this beautiful, beautiful light blue. 2007 Bentley, no reserve. Selling tomorrow on Saturday. I believe it's got 43,000 miles on it. Sitting next to a Ferrari California. I absolutely love this blue. It is also being sold at no reserve on Saturday. Sitting next to, this is probably, I'm guessing it's not a real Ferrari. This is probably going to be an old Datsun or Nissan. So we're going to go ahead here. I got to say, they have done a splendid job Let's go ahead and get a quick look at it and see. 1972 Datsun 240Z. But they have done an amazing job. Going to transition over here to the California. And I'm doing a terrible job with my video work. A lot of people give these cars grief. I don't see what the problem is. I guess I give it grief because it's a front-mounted engine. A lot of people, they want the mid-engine Ferrari. For me, this is fine. I'm not going to cry about it. If someone gave me this car, I'd be like, oh, no, I don't want this Ferrari. It's not one of the good Ferraris. Nah, the hell with that. I'll take this one any day of the week. So leave your comments down below, folks. What are you gonna go after here? If you can only pick one of these two beautiful blue supercars, are you gonna go for the 2012 Ferrari California convertible, or are you gonna go for the 2007 Bentley Continental GT convertible? Go ahead and leave your comments down below.
23 pound, 41. Last call. Internet safety caps are all out. 49, 41. So 40 pound dollars. So 40 pounds of dollars. Get it, make it. On that flat, 49.1.
All right, everyone, I think that's going to do it for part one here. I'm going to break this up into multiple parts so it doesn't stretch out to, an hour and a half, 2 hours. I know nobody wants those long videos. Thank you very, very much for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Remember, I'm also a licensed realtor. If you want to buy or sell a house in Northwest Arkansas, please let me know down below. There's a link down below. We are on the other video sharing platforms, such as an R. We're also on Instagram and TikTok, and of course Facebook as well. As always, folks, better cars, best prices. It's fuzzy dice or no dice.